Ever wondered why your laptop isn't performing like it used to? The culprit might be something you can't even see: dust accumulation and overheating. Here's why servicing your laptop, especially when changing your MacBook Pro battery, is crucial. Firstly, optimal performance. Dust clogs and overheats your system, causing it to throttle down to avoid damage. Cleaning out this dust and reapplying thermal paste ensures your laptop runs smoothly, just like it did when you first got it. Secondly, extended lifespan. Overheating can severely shorten your laptop's life. Regular servicing prevents permanent damage, ensuring your device serves you well for years to come. Thirdly, efficiency. An overheating laptop is an inefficient one. Keeping the internals clean and well maintained means your battery lasts longer between charges, making your laptop more reliable and ready when you are. Fourthly, safety. Overheating isn't just bad for your laptop, it can be a safety risk. Regular maintenance keeps your device safe to use in any situation. And finally, cost effective. Preventative maintenance like cleaning and reapplying thermal paste can save you money in the long run by avoiding costly repairs or replacements. At Minkos Max, we specialize in servicing all laptops, resolving dirt, dust and heat issues starting at just £90. We cater to all PC and Apple models, ensuring your device remains in peak condition. Find us at our 4 London locations.